Strictly speaking, Nifty is likely to consolidate hard as the latest wave of Q4 earnings reports fall short, and most importantly, overnight Wall Street's recent rally was seen stalling. GIFT is trading green, but our call of the day suggests that on any excessive strength, Nifty will look for direction. The biggest silver lining for our stocks markets. WTI oil prices have tumbled below $78 a barrel. Amidst falling oil prices, Indigo should perform well with an intermonth perspective. Market attention will continue to be focused on Q4 corporate earnings reports, with highlights for the day glued on SBI, HPCL, PNB, IOB, Ascent Paints, BPCL, CAMS, Escorts. In corporate news, RBI allows Bank of Baroda to onboard customers through Bob World app. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 6669 crores. DIIs, however, were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5929 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive consolidation after yesterday's choppy session. FNO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has jumped towards 17.08 levels, up around 73% from last week's low. The VIX Fear Index is now pointing to potential turbulence for benchmark Nifty and, most importantly, for large cap stocks. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.22. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.84. Nifty outlook: Nifty is likely to consolidate. Nifty, CMP to 2303. Support, 22,250 to 22,200. Resistance, 22,400 to 22,600. Range, 22,200 to 22,400. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 48021. Support, 47,800 to 47,600. Resistance, 48,300 to 48,500. Range, 47,600 to 48,300. Bias, sideways. The key negative catalysts. 1. Federal Reserve Minneapolis President Neel Kashkari has said that the most likely scenario is that interest rates will stay on hold for an extended period. 2. Lok Sabha election anxiety. Well, low voter turnout is definitely a matter of concern, as Nifty is down to 0.5% from the phase 1 of the voting. 3. The spike in the India VIX is unsettling investors at Dalal Street. Please note, India VIX, often referred to as the fear gauge, has spiked sharply above 17 levels and is up 73% from last week's low. The VIX Fear Index is now pointing to potential turbulence for benchmark Nifty and, most importantly, for large cap stocks. 4. Unimpressive and uninspiring Q4 corporate India earnings. Lackluster Q4 earning has been witnessed from Reliance, Titan, Persistent Systems, LTIM, LTTS, TCS, Wipro, Infi, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank, HUL, IOC, Pidilite, and even HDFC Bank. 5. The big FII scam continue to be in selling spree. In yesterday's trade, FII sold shares to the tune of Rs 6669 crores. Long story short, volatility will continue to be the hallmark.